Oh yeah.
NBA season out of Washington State University, number 11,
The latest book. Chat! Yo, chat! My inner circle, man. What's up to the inner circle people, man? You go-getters, man. I got a 50K. What's up, dude? I got a 50K account, okay? With a 2K max drawdown EOD. How many units should I risk? 5? Brother. Okay. I thought I answered this last night and in the morning. And then you know I text you this too, bro. So I'm gonna answer it again. Cause it's cool, bro. You're new. I'm gonna answer. Every time you ask me a question, I'm gonna answer it. I'm gonna give you hell a little bit, but I'm gonna answer it for you, brother. Should I risk 5 units? You didn't say that. You said how many units should I risk? 5 question mark? Okay. Yes. You already know the answer. It's based on our stop loss. It's based on our stop loss, bro. So let's say real numbers, bro. If I risk, let's say 4 to 800 a trade. That's my number. 400 to 800 a trade, right? So if we do this bottom block right here, real price, don't guess. We're not guessing. We're not doing bullshit numbers. We're not making up shit. Look at it on the charts, bro. The answer to your question, what stop loss should you be? No. You said, how many units should I be risking? Okay. It's not about the units of risk. Well, it does depend on your account size because you can only do so many max based on your account. So if you have a 50K, I think you were Traderify. 50K with Traderify, you probably can only do 4. So 4. You can do 40 contracts max. So you should be good. We'll never do. You should be doing 4. You know what I mean? So boom. Based on the size of this stop loss, if I want to risk $400, do I go 10 units today on this trade? If yesterday my $400 risk was on 10 units based on that stop loss, it's based on every single different trade you take, bro. The number amount will be the same, but the unit number will be different because the stop loss size will be different. Yesterday this morning, yesterday's trading day, we took this trade right here. So real numbers. Real numbers, we came in, we risked, it was more than that. It was like 690. Yeah, I had it at like 690 at first, and then I moved it up here, and we got safe. But, boom, on a big stop loss, now I got to risk 600. So guess what? I'm not doing 10 on this trade. I still got to go down to my 400. See that? Boom, and now we get 400. So, this trade, I either need to be a $30 more than my 400, or I need to be less because that's how the units work. So I'll probably go under, risk 372, and take my profit at the low. It's like a 1-to-1. So it's based on your freaking stop loss size, bro. Got it? I'm trying to put that in your head so you don't have to keep asking it. Okay, so over here we want to risk our 400, right? Now this stop loss is small, so guess what? We can go more contracts to get to our 400. Bada bing, bada boom. And boom, now we're doing 20 because we want our 400. Go down maybe 19, one more. Go down 18, now we got our 400. It's based on the number, bro. Not the fucking unit. If you do 5 units every single trade, bro, you're going to blow your account. Because sometimes stop is going to be bigger and you won't know. You won't know if you just randomly getting in a random number or units. Got it? Alright, cool. But nah, look at the exit from yesterday, bro. Or New York session. We targeted this guy, but I knew it was going to go through it. Because it's a stale order block. You come into it, push up, didn't make new highs, come back to it. High probability it could reject or just blow straight through it. That's on any time frame. Like this one right here. If you drag us all the way over and this don't make a fucking high and it comes back to it, it might pull back to an opposite direction thing, maybe an order block or maybe a moving average or something like that. When it comes back to it, it's probably going to blow through it. That's just a stale order block. That's a lesson of stale order block. Stale. I call it stale. Nobody wants stale chips. You go to Mexican and they put a basket of stale tortilla chips on your table. You gonna eat them or you gonna send them back and get that good fresh shit, that good. All right, you want tomorrow? Honestly, today looks like complete dog shit. So that's really why I wasn't rushing to the charts. Honestly, we're not missing anything. We're not really missing anything, chat. That's why I was not rushing on stream. It took me 10 minutes. I was actually having a little concert. type shit. Yeah, this looks like absolute dog shit, bro. So, what they did, they pushed down, pulled back, made an order block right here. Right? Boom, price came into the block, reject, price, stale. When it starts doing this, bro, first touch and then comes out and then back up, making new highs and then pushing up, hit the 50%, making reds, was now respecting uptrends and then making new highs, that you could have saw that this was stale the first pullback. As soon as it pushed down and pulled back up, and then this pushed down and then go and get out that thing. Go and get up out of there. Go and get up out of there. You feel what I'm saying? So that violated. So we got rid of that. Price started making his way up. It didn't really get sexy till here. New highs. Block at the bottom. Came into it. Pushed out. Made new highs. Pulled back to what? New order block at the bottom. Body of the candle. Why is that a block? Because this is the last opposite direction candle before price pushed and made a new BOS right here. Got it? That's why this is real. Guess what happened? Price came to it, it touched, and it pushed up, and it failed to make a new high. When it fails to make a new high, y'all, and it comes back to the block, I'm telling you over and over and over and over, it's going to reject it and stop at an opposite direction something, whether it's an order block or a MA touch or some shit. And then it goes back to it and it's gonna blow through it fast as fuck. This is all money on here. If we put a trend line from here to here, everybody got their stop losses up under these swing lows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then at the lows. So what happens? They go and get the money fast. That's why these big spikes come. Boom, grab the money. You see the grab right here at the lows. You see the grab right here on the low all the way to the left. Grab yesterday's low, and then what does it do? Pump up. So how does this start pumping up to where we can take it to the next side of the liquidity? So pretty much I'm saying this to say, all this shit did is open up, shoot down, grab highs, boom, grab lows, boom. Now we're grabbing fucking highs. What's next? Maybe grab back lows? You know what I'm saying? So, how could we have caught longs up to here? Start getting a little BOSs there. Start getting a little shitty order blocks there. Okay. That's not the sexiest. You get a new little BOS here, very tight, very small, tight, not high probability. Bottom candle down here. Touch, 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 push up. When they made a new push up, that's a new BOS chat. Every BOS, every successful order block trade that rejects and pushes up and makes a new high, which is a BOS, always leaves an order block at the bottom. Drag it over. Just wait. Makes new highs, touches VWAPs, comes back down to it. This was at 9:30, about 50 minutes ago. Came into it, pumped back up to the highs. Boom. Okay, keep it going. Every successful order block trade that makes a new high is a new block at the bottom. You got a new BOS. New order block candle. Price pumps up. Price pumps all the way, hit the drawn liquidity, which is the highs, and that's what just happened. So from there, price came down, price pumps up. Are we still having session tonight? Are you not fucking here? Lisa, are you Asia? Oh, she thought I was gonna send a New York link or something. I said I was, didn't I? Are you in New York? Are you referring? I'm gonna just send her the fucking link, bro. Whatever. She cares. She wants to be in here, bro. Let's put her in here, bro. Let's give it to her, man. Send her the link, cuz. Yo, mod, send her the link. No, I'm just playing. I already sent it to her. Okay, we got some continuation. So that's all this is. Price comes out of this block. Price pumps up, right? Flipped over to MAs, EMAs, pulled back to the EMAs, pumps up. When it pumped up and made a new high, what did that leave at the bottom? Y'all, it's the same fucking shit. Over. Lisa, you just missed it, low key. I just had a whole. So actually, this is what I'm gonna do, Lisa. You're in the Order Block Masterclass channel. So when I get done with this video, how long we been on here? So if I got on at like 10:20, so like the first 13 minutes, I'm gonna clip this shit up and I'm gonna put that in the Order Block Telegram. Order Block Masterclass 75 one-time ongoing learning. Trade examples, setups, not like signals or nothing, just like past setups of me trading and shit. So yeah, I got you, Lisa, because I just went crazy in depth. Y'all, I actually got up for the first time for a London session last night. I was up at 2 o'clock. Alright, I got up at like 2:20. My alarm was at 2 a.m. But I didn't get up till 2:20. And then I went upstairs. I'm in that bit yawning, bro. I'm like, why am I up? But I was up, you know what I'm saying? I made it 1100, so that was cool. It took me all the way to 4 a.m., bro, to close that trade. 4 a.m., bro. It was a crazy trade. Did you guys take a trade? No, we didn't take nothing. It looks like shit. I was pretty much telling them why I wasn't rushing the session today. It looks like shit. It just wasn't shit. So I was just showing them price shot down, had this order block here. It died off. Price pumps up. Start making new order blocks up. Order blocks up. Order blocks up. Failed to make a new high. It became stale. Pulled back off of the thing, off of the order block, and then violated, swiping all these lows. That's pretty much what I said. And then we came down here, and then I was showing them all the order blocks to get back up to the drawn liquidity here, which was here. And then price pulls back to this 5-minute 27 touch, which is the same thing as this thing right here. Price pumps up, price pulls back. It also pulled back to a 5-minute order block as well, so that lined up. So you got a 5-minute order block with that 1-minute order block at the bottom. Price respected, and price is shooting up right now. So when we got on, we was just ranging real nasty. Now we're getting the push down, we're getting our slow uptrend, and then the straight down, the grab. Now we're getting our push up, grab highs, pull back. Now we're getting a continuation so far. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of this. All right, so if we just grabbed all these highs, I don't know how much higher we're gonna go. Like, what's up here? Like these highs? Maybe these highs, you know, as far as price to go higher, targets and stuff like that, draws on liquidity, shit like that. But the way this shit is setting up, meaning the way it's already ain't really been doing shit, I expect maybe shorts from here. But of course, you gotta wait for shit to start showing shorts. We're clearly in an uptrend right now. So what we'll do is mark off this 5-minute and start seeing how price reacts up in there. And if price wants to go long, we might take it on. But right now, I'm not rushing to a trade, to be real with you. Capiche? Fuck. Let's go. GG's. Hey man, listen, y'all boys do not want to see me on that iMessage y'all boys do not want to see me on that iMessage cup dang, what's it called? 8-ball. Y'all boys do not want to see me in that shit. No kizzy. Y'all boys do not want to see me. This is so ugly, bro. Like, why is the block there? They're like, but if you go down to the 30s, what the fuck? Damn, 30 second gapping like fuck, but that's also because it's like moving slow. Ain't too much shit going on, big bro. Y'all get what I'm saying, bro? Alright. Price makes a new high here, but this will be a real block. I don't know if I'll trade it, but we'll watch it. $40.48s. Far as fuck. 40.48. Yeah, that's far as fuck. There's really no money, bro. There's really no. It's low volume, bro. There's no money really on this bitch. We got a level at 40.48s. I'm tired, bro. Yeah, I just ate for the first time today, right before session. All right, look at all these wicks. Wicks on the 5. Whoo, fuck. Fuck chat. Not fuck chat, but like fuck chat. You know what I mean? Like bro, stop. Bro, stop doing the note, bro. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, not much going on. You gotta see that shit before you get on the charts. You know what I'm saying? But we're just waiting to see what happens after this touch. My bad. We're waiting to see what happens after this touch. Touch is right there. Let's change the color. Let's just go purple real quick. No, you cannot beat me with this cash, little brother. Made that coupe raw room fast, little brother. WTV. What does WTV mean? WTV Urban Dictionary. Oh, whatever. Why don't you just say whatever? Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna give y'all a little strategy. Take this shit how you want it. All right, it's called the bottom candle. I made this shit up. I don't even know if it's a real thing, but it's called the bottom candle. When price pushes down and it breaks that bottom candle, it usually holds. You can get a very tight stop, and then you target your continuation or whatever. But it's like you're gonna hit stop. Sometimes you're gonna hit stop. You're definitely gonna hit stop. This ain't the highest win rate type strategy. You get what I'm saying? But there you go, a little model. Whenever you only do it, like, you gotta, anything about a strategy, bro, you gotta know when to pull out a strategy. You gotta know when to pull out the MAs. You gotta know when to pull out the order blocks. You gotta know when to pull out the Fibonacci. You gotta know when to pull that shit out. You know what I'm saying? You can't just take any fucking thing. You know what I'm saying? So when you're expecting a reversal, now you can wait for the bottom candle to paint a solid, nice opposite direction bottom candle, and then when they break that, you can almost like put like, if it keeps going lower, it's gonna stop eventually and make a lower candle, and it's gonna break above. So when it breaks above that bottom candle, you can low key either have a limit there to go, it's gonna break that and then possibly go higher, and then guess what? What does that turn into? That turns into a block when it goes higher. So usually it'll come into your entry, stop loss here, and then you target your highs. So that's a little free model real quick. You know what I'm saying? Back test that shit, front test that shit. Which one? All right, I just gave you a free model, man. Call it the bottom candle. I don't fucking know. The bottom candle, the top candle, the fucking. Brandy, little brother. Hey man, you're floating 2 points, man. Like, and I just noticed that with my eyes. Not now, cause I've just like recently, last day or so, 2-3 days ago. No, this shit pumping. But you get what I'm saying? You expect that from that area. So like if you did that right here, bottom candle, break, but you just got to take your profit because you just don't know when shit's going to, it's not like a guaranteed run 1,000,000 points, but it You get what I'm saying? Go look and back test that shit. Go look at any push up, any push down. That top candle, when it breaks, bro, it usually goes, you know? No, you cannot beat me in the... No way, bro. That shit just hit the highs, bro. 4 point. Did anybody take that? It wasn't like a signal. I mean, it kind of was, but not really. I didn't take it. I didn't take it serious enough. But did anybody take that just out of fucking around? Did anybody give it a shot? Like, bro, it was worth a shot. Like 1.7 points. Like, bro, you risk 170 and you fucking make 500. What? That's literally a 1 to 2.7. Of course I did. Damn! Zena said, listen, Zena said, hey.
I'm leaving here with something. You know what I mean? I'm from around the way. I'm leaving with something.
Zena got balls of steel. Grande papi cojones. Grande papi cojones. Grande papi. Sheesh. Y'all see how they're just playing around, bro? It ain't too much going on, bro. It's really not. I got a song for y'all, bro, and it's pretty clean, so it ain't no bad shit.
Dinner day we eat fast food. Now she wanna go to Cancun. I done finally got my bag right. Got inside my bag. You can come and bring your friends through. Put your feet up in the sand too. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. Got 200 on the dash to live a fast life. Threw a 20 bottle booby, it was mad light. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. When the music's slowing down, I'm in the lab right. If you sexy, I'ma spend it on the damn right. I can stop, I keep on going, keep on climbing to the top, you see. I can stop, I keep on pouring, words of slang, rapping all the beat. With the patty, then you scrape it, she been shaking, asking here for free. Got this dirty money coming, going, you can't buy with free. I'm knowing that they knowing they can fuck with me. I'm flying, I've been flowing, all this breaky plea. I whine it bad at night, just wonder where to see. I'm in my bag, I'm in my death for Louis. I just about to skid up in the sky like you ain't say you want some milk and barely last around with me. But my feelings all inside this cup is drowning me. It's a dirty game, the devil dance around with me. I don't care to be alive, I won't stop until we win. Overthinking every night, don't forget you really am. Come my bed to hold the pipe. Just a bucket costs a 10. Life ain't easy, gotta fight. Even when I'm down, still trying to win. Dinner day we eat fast food. Now she wanna go to Cancun. I done finally got my bag right. You can come and bring your friends too. Put your feet up in the sand too. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. Got 200 on the dash to live a fast life. Threw a 20 bottom booby, it was mad like. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. When the music's slowing down, I'm in the lab right. If she sexy, I'ma spend it on the damn right. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. Got 200 on the dash to live a fast life. Threw a 20 bottom booby, it was mad like. When your bag right, it's hard to have a bad night. When the music's slowing down, I'm in the lab right. If she sexy, I'ma spend it on the damn right. On your sexy eyes.
That's why when the devil come accusing you, you need to remind him that you've been clothed in Christ. Yeah, I failed, but I'm clothed. Yeah, I fell down, but I'm clothed. Yeah, I got insecurities, but I'm clothed. Yeah, our brother got issues, but I'm clothed in Christ. Somebody give him praise in this house. Hallelujah. Somebody shout Jesus.
All right, listen. If we're gonna start shifting down, here's how it's gonna start. Right there. It already started, right? Push down, new beat. All right, get out of here. Push down, new BOS, pull back, and then continue. But, you know, okay, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. So we can't ignore that. What? Every successful order block, right? Leaves a new block at the bottom after a new high. Mark it off. I mean, I just wouldn't be taking no longs, bro. We're at this high. We just swept this high. We're down to this 5 minute right here, okay? Possible something up in there to reject out and go higher. Let's put this on all intervals and see where it's at over here on the 5. Okay, bottom of the 5 is this 1 minute. Okay, go back to current interval. Okay. It could do some shit like take out this block and then come and touch this block on the 5. So it's like take out these O's. They're building liquidity up here at the highs. They'll come grab, push up, pull back, push up, pull back. That could happen. we are back live. Alright, but y'all see the patterns though? Order block, it's going to come to it, it's going to reject it. If it's going to fail, it's going to stop at the opposite direction. It's going to come to it, continue to reject, never make new highs, and then it's going to blow straight through it. Y'all, I'll show you that pattern over and over and over and over and over and over. But you can only expect that to happen because this grab happened, you know? Alright, so this block is killed. Now, we got possible coming to and possible push up on some clean long shit. So let's get rid of this. So you remember I said this is going to be the shift of the sales? Come on, man. It's the same shit over and over and over and over and over. But when you get so good and start identifying charts, you know, like me and shit, that can kill you because you know so much, you see so much. You're gonna be tempted to take everything, and you shouldn't be taking everything. Like these little micro setups, these are micro setups. When I say micro, that means like a small scale. All right, so look, if it's gonna continue lower, this is the block to do it. All right. And if they're going to go lower, where are they targeting? Probably up under here, where everybody's money at. All these buyers, all these longers, stop losses under here. They're under this block. They're under this block. And then they're under this block. And that lines up with VWAP. Let's go. Hey, but ain't it crazy how I marked off this opposite direction candle and it looked weird? It looks not right, but it's actually 100% correct. This is how the algorithm runs, bro. When nobody's moving the market, when nobody's pumping volume into the market, this is how the fucking market moves, bro. Block to fucking block. And then the institutions come in, whatever, they're trading the same level. That's why you get the explosive shit out of them shits. Come on, man. Trade with the banks, bro. Just trade with the banks, broski. Just trade with them. Just... Here we go. Here we go. Some freaky shit can happen right here and make price go down. So this is the touch on the 5, opposite direction something to make it go down. Got it? Keep that in mind. That also lines up with the fucking 1 minute here. Then you can kind of do the first candle shit on the 5 minute. So it's like, bro, if we're gonna go long, we're gonna pull back to this shit right here. I might take that bitch for real, bro. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Damn. Yo! 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 That would have been world's fastest fucking... Bro. Oh my god, that is hilarious, bro. That is fucking hilarious. Bro, y'all, when I say I see this shit over and over and over, look at this shit, y'all. I'm gonna get rid of that. Look at this, over here. What did I say? It's gonna touch this. Possible reversals here. Because we already got our grab here. I really don't think we're gonna go any higher. I've been saying that shit last hour. You know what I'm saying? So that shit makes sense that it would what? Line up with the 1 minute, line up with this 5 to go opposite direction where everybody thinking long, and then they push it down lower. Alright, we got this shindig up here. Candle's so small, I'm gonna just put both of them bitches up there. But I'm still not trusting shorts, bro. Shorts look good on this side, but not this side yet. And that's not good. Bro, that's not a trade that I want to take. respecting, we're respecting. Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands. Who's in shorts right now? I know somebody aggressive ass is in shorts right now, trying to take out this block. After everything I done told y'all on session, I know y'all trying to take out this block right now. And it's Zena. I know it's Zena. Zena in a short right now. Watch. Zena, you in the short? Watch. Watch this, y'all. Read the chat. Watch this, y'all. Read the chat. She gonna say yes. Watch. Zena, are you in the short? Bang! I already knew it. I ain't even gotta take trades to just sit here and drop knowledge, bro. Like, and then y'all choose to do what you choose to do. That's not the plan, but that's what's going on tonight. Tonight. Alright, we just touched the 27 EMA on the 5. That could be the last stop before we go up. So let's say this order block has money on top of it, so we'll put that there. We'll get rid of this. I don't know what this is for. That was a change of character. That was not change of character, but 60. Get rid of this guy's old news. This guy's about to violate. We're touching the 27 on the 1. We can still go down. We came into this 1 minute block at the bottom. We came into it once, pushed up, didn't make a new high, stopped at the opposite direction order block, came back into it, pulled back, stopped at the opposite direction MAs, pushed deeper into it. Now we're pushing up higher. So are we going to hold this block or go blow through this block to go higher? Okay, so that means this bottom. Remember I did this a few minutes ago? This bottom block, we're going to go higher, we'll respect. And then also, this is now the bottom candle that you would anticipate a break on if you wanted to go higher. So let's measure out these points right here. That's only a 4-point risk, chat. Targeting the highs at 7. Alright, we can get rid of this purple line. Wait, it pulled back into it already? I think I'm gonna take this bitch, bro. What am I risking now? You gotta know what you're risking, chat. I'm risking 700, 680. I'm long. Let's fucking do it, boy! Let's fucking do it, boys! Let's fucking do it, boys! Let's do it, boys! Alright, let's make this shit sexy. I need to go to the 5 minute on my phone. Because that's a 5 minute setup, low key. Let's see if we can get up there, bud, you know? So if I'm buying 18, I need to be selling 18. Let's see what we get, boys. Alright, it's just getting cluttered. Let's get rid of this guy. We'll keep this on the 5 minute chart just for visuals. Take it off the 1. This candle is still valid. Yep. Yep. Stop loss up under there. Yep. Let's see what happens, bud. Let's see what happens. Touching that candle right here. Touching that block right here. This is pretty much the optimal entry for price to go higher. Of course, if we don't hold this and we shoot through this, over with. Stop loss hit. So let's see, 5 minute candle in 3 seconds. Boom. Here we go. This candle could close green and then pump higher. Green, baby. Let's see. We got a nice, oh shit. We got a nice initial reaction and then boom, this wick came and fucked us. So let's see if we pump out. Okay. We need this 5 minute to push up. Let's see if we can pump out, baby. Pump out, baby. Let's see if this is in fact the bottom candle right here. Oh shit, I don't even have a take profit, brother. Cause what if it just spikes? Damn, 1200 at the highs. So if I'm buying 18, I need to be selling 18 for my target. If I'm buying 18, I need to be selling 18 for my stop loss. Let's see if we can go higher, gang. Zena said, yep, go to bed. I'm late as fuck. When did you send that? That was hella minutes ago. I should have went to bed, huh? Here we go. It ain't over yet, though. Doesn't look the best, but it's not over yet. Does not look good at all. But we can't count it out yet. We can't count it out yet. We'll get rid of this though. They damn near went through that whole shit. We'll keep this down. We're still in this block, man. Let's see if we hold. Wait, if you look at it, this is the opposite. Oh, that's the same direction. So that don't even count. Yeah, get rid of that. I tried to find a little block up in there. we're probably not gonna get any volume. Pump this shit back up, so it's probably good riddance. Stop hit probably. Alright, chat, I'm out, man. Fuck this shit. Alright, small loss, small jab. I'm out of here, bro. I was actually gonna call it anyway at the 11:10. A whole hour on here just sitting here, so hold on, let me see something. The block is under here, meaning we can go down there. New order block right here. If it comes back to it, that would be tragic if it doesn't. Bro, please pull back. Alright, I entered this sell limit, bro. I'm pretty heavy in this bitch, too. If I just lost 700, this will put me net 5, I think. Yeah, net 5. Let's see if we can get a pullback, bro. But this is my last trade for sure. And if it hits that orange line, I'll end it, too. Because then I'll get emotional and start doing dumb shit. Emotional damage. So if it hits this orange line before we get activated, I'm done. Small loss on the day. Gonna stop at this little weak ass candle, bro, I swear. Alright, come on, man. Fill the order, bro. Fill the goddamn order, dude. Fill the freaking order, dude. Fill the freaking order, dude. Oh, this shit didn't even get respected. Get rid of that guy. Bro, but no, 1 tick away is kind of crazy. It's literally crazy. Oh my god. How do I stomach that, chat? You don't. You just pick up your water and drink. That's all you can do, bud. Didn't take one and bad right now. That was bad now. I done got a son of Bro, this shit looks so ugly, bro. There's literally no volume, bro. So I just know it's gonna pump into that block and make new lows because that's what the algorithm is gonna do. I just gotta wait for it, bud. There's literally nobody moving the market right now. Literally. Not nothing. Not a damn nada. Nathan. Nathaniel. No, that shit just gapped down. Is this the candle? Did that shit gap down? Where the fuck is it? Oh, it did. Why is it? What the fuck? So is this the new block right here? I still got my limit set, and if it still hits these lows and blow through it, I'm out. Bro, this shit is not moving. Dude, 2 ticks away, bro? Golly. And I put it a little bit before it. Fuck you, bro. That's crazy work. That's crazy work. Damn, chat. 2 ticks away, bro. Probably 1 tick. Like, what the heck? Alright, I hit the alert. Dude, 2 ticks, bro. Ah. That's very, very unfortunate. I don't even think he's gonna go that far and that fast. It's fucking moving in slow motion. But I did move my limit though, chat. Now if it just shoots down and hits VWAP without me, I'll definitely end because I can't do shit after that. Oh my god, chat. Ah, fuck. 2 ticks, bro. Yeah, come up and activate me. Bro, I gotta be looking at the wrong chart over here, bro. I gotta be. There ain't no way this shit is that ugly over here. Oh shit. Oh shit, chat. Oh shit. Oh shit, chat. Oh shit, chat. Chat, oh shit. Chat, oh shit. Chat. Oh shit, chat. Yo, this is crazy, chat. This shit is lagging like fuck, bro. Like the P&L's moving, but the candle isn't. Like, what kind of shit is this? It ain't mad or nothing, but God, at least it's green. Yo, like it's lagging. Like it should be way more than 240. This is crazy, chat. This is a crazy one, chat. We're under the EMAs, chat. That's good, chat. Yo, chat. Crazy, chat. Shit's not even moving, chat. Bro, this shit is so laggy, bro. What the fuck? What the world, bro? This is crazy, chat. Chat, this is insane. Beautiful trade, though. Beautiful reaction out of there. That's what we want. Nice. 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 Chat, guess what, chat? 11:20. I'm out full, bro. Let's do that, bro. Let's just do that. Let's just be smart with it. 11:20. Let's do the math. 11:20 subtract 700. That's net 420.
You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. You know we don't miss. Walk over Trish. Walk over Trish. Walkisha over Trish. Walkisha over Trish.
Crazy. Zena, I did it again, bro. Remember, I said I didn't want to go long. I got tricked into a long. And then we always recover going the right way, bro. Just stop taking the fucking dumb shit, bro. Fuck! Alright, that's how you do it, chat. But yeah, man, you can just see, bro, we're in La La Land. We grab highs. We grab highs again, bro. The most recent, you know, the highs after the highs. And then you start looking for these blocks to fill. It took a long ass time because there's no volume. But when there's no volume, that's good because there's nobody pushing shit up and down, doing crazy shit in the market. All you're going to get is your grabs. You're going to get your respected order blocks all the way down. Respected order blocks right here all the way down. We tried to get here, but it wasn't close enough. Then we just said, don't cry. What's next? The next one is here if we're going to continue lower. That's all we did, bro. Plain and simple. Plain and simple, man. W's. If y'all really rock with me, put WPNL in the chat and Discord live trading profits. I know I'll be back in there soon. I'm still working on that bullshit, but you see, we don't care about no roadblocks. We're still here going live every day. So, W Asia session. Let's fucking do it. Something was definitely wrong with my PNL. What in the AM, my boy. Facts. I'll see you in the morning. Something was definitely wrong with my PNL. Like the whole trade, like even closing and shit. Something, bro, y'all. Hey, damn, Zena. You make money, you straight? Or you just saying it was off a little bit? No, it was definitely weird, bro. I don't like that shit. But Zena, if you look over here at the secret sauce, that shit looks weird as fuck. It was way off. You probably shouldn't have been trading that shit, bro. Yes, that too. Bro, that shit looks weird as fuck. Like, this shit, that shit didn't help me at all today. Like, what the fuck? Alright, man, let's get out of here, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. But Zena, you straight? You make money, right? You good? I know they probably fucked you, but she said, yes, I'm good. Alright. We gotta stay on their ass, Zena. Stay on their ass. Alright, y'all, I'm out of here. First day made a decent sack. Let's go, William. Hey, William, welcome to the party, first of all.
Welcome to the party.
Alright, but, William, this is what we do here. You know what I'm saying? 15-minute mafia. This is what we do here. I don't even say that shit no more. This is what we do here, brother. When we come in and we cash out, morning, night, morning, night, night, morning, whatever the fuck. All you have to do is undiscord. Damn, you're not even in the Discord, so never mind. Don't even worry about it. Live trading profits in Discord. If you're in there, drop the WPNL. You're not in the Discord. Oh, you can be in the Discord, But you just can't talk because I didn't give you the role yet. You just joined like a day or so ago. But no, you're good, so never mind. Delete that. But remember, in the future, when you get access, everybody who's in there in the Discord, I want y'all to put your WP&L in the live trading profits section of Discord at the very bottom. That's where everybody posts their profits and, you know, pop their shit and flex. But you're good, bro. If you're not in the Discord, it's cool. I'm going to get in there soon, bro. All right, man. I love y'all, man. Let's get out of here, bro. I love y'all, man. W session. Let's go. I'm going to see y'all in the morning. If y'all in New York, I'm going to see y'all in the morning. If you're not, fuck you. No, I'm just playing.